Hi, I'm Simon with AppliancePartsPros.com. Today we're going to show you how to repair your appliance. Are you ready? Remember, anytime you work on your appliance, make sure it's unplugged or the circuit breakers are off so there's no chance of electrocution. In this video, we'll show you how to replace the temperature sensor in a GE range. It's going to be a very easy repair. Should only take a few minutes to show you how to do it. For this job, we're going to need a 1/4-inch nut driver. When you open up the package, you're going to get a new temperature sensor. The temperature sensor is mounted inside the oven on the rear wall in the upper left corner. It monitors the oven temperature and relays it to the main control board in order to keep the desired temperature inside the oven. The oven temperature sensor may fail in 3 different ways. It may short out, it may burn out, and it may be out of calibration. In all 3 instances, the oven won't heat properly and the temperature sensor should be tested and replaced if needed. Open the door partially, grab it on the sides, and lift it off the hinges. Be careful, don't break the glass. Remove the oven racks by pulling it out and lifting and taking it away. Pull out, lift, and take away. We're going to remove the 2 1/4-inch screws that holds the temperature sensor. And using 1/4-inch nut driver. And we're going to disconnect the plug at the back and we can pull out the old temperature sensor. So we need to remove the cover to get to the connection. 2 1/4-inch screws, 1 on each side. We're going to use a 1/4-inch nut driver. Remove the screws and take off the cover. So we're going to push this tab here and disconnect the plug. So nothing is holding the temperature sensor anymore. And now we can remove the old temperature sensor. This is the old temperature sensor next to the new one. If you don't have this part, you can get it from AppliancePartsPros.com. We're gonna slide the new plug and the harness into the opening. And I'm gonna pull it through. And connect it. So we're going to install the cover, match the holes, and secure it with the 1/4-inch screws. Now we're going to go inside the oven and secure the sensor to the rear wall. So we're going to use a couple of 1/4-inch screws and secure the oven temperature sensor to the rear wall. And tighten the upper one too. Now we're going to install the oven racks. The curved end goes first in on the rail. Then we can straight it up and push it in. Same thing on this one. And now we can install the door. Right now we can install the door back on the hinges. Slide it on and let it go and open it all the way and then close it. Slowly make sure it's on properly. And now when we're done, you can plug the wrench back in. Thank you for being a part of another successful repair brought to you by AppliancePartsPros.com. For any of your future appliance repair projects, please check out our other videos available on our site, on Facebook, on YouTube, and on Instagram.